People started playing games, and now the game is out of control. This crisis, as I call it, it's a smokescreen for something that's been going on for years. The biggest crisis is the financial crisis. And what this crisis represents is we're going into a brave new world. As I said in prophecy, I said it would come in 2016, but I didn't foresee. I started prophecy in 1999, but I didn't foresee quantitative easing and zero interest rates. I didn't foresee how desperate our leaders are, the Federal Reserve Bank, the Treasury, Wall Street, and even putting students in debt. I cannot believe how desperate people are. Everybody's so desperate because this world, starting from 1971, is so deeply in debt. But I think the most dastardly thing for your generation was in 2009, when President Obama went to the banks and said, look, we need to get the students more into debt under the guise of, you need to get a good education. I don't know if you understand money, but there's only 4.5 trillion in base money, M1. There's about 225 trillion in debt. That means there's only 4.5 trillion for 225 trillion in debt. The machine's going to stop soon. I don't know when, but it's going to stop. And when it comes to a stop, that's when my gold, silver, and Bitcoin will go through the roof. So going back to 1971, this financial crisis is now showing up. And it's your generation that will inherit.
But the point here is this: what are you going to do about it? I just took a position in one of the largest gold mines in the world, in world history. And I'm very bullish on gold. We have control of tons of gold, not just ounces. And because to me, gold has been money since God came around. Gold and silver are God's money. Bitcoin is people's money. And so that's why I watch the dollar, and I still see Americans saving dollars or Canadians. I'm going, what the heck are they nuts?
If and when I hold cash, it's strictly to capitalize on opportunities, like you said, right? You're building a position in one of the world's largest gold mines for that reason. And I've been heavier cash over the last 6 months than ever before. And the reason was, Robert, I really struggled to find value anywhere, right? It was like I'm heavyweight and continuing to buy gold and silver.
If you can't find a deal and you're stacking with cash, because of course Biden printed I don't know how many trillions, they're printing so much cash. What is that going to do to real assets? Real estate's in a bubble, stock market's in a bubble. Where do you put your cash? But I can start a gold mine. So I started several gold mines, several silver mines. And please, anybody who is into the stock market and real estate market right now, or even worse, somebody who believes in saving dollars or loonie,